Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDT from your Tangem wallet to Robinhood in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know USDT is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a go-to for quick and stable transfers. Whether you're moving funds for trading or just managing your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will get you there safely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure both your Tangem wallet and Robinhood accounts are fully set up and verified. Tangem is a secure hardware wallet, so double-check that it's connected and unlocked on your device. On the Robinhood side, log in and navigate to your crypto wallet section. You'll need to generate or find your Robinhood USDT deposit address. Head to the Deposit or Add Funds option under Crypto Assets. Once you have that address, open your Tangem wallet app or device. Select your USDT balance from the main dashboard. Now, initiate a transfer by choosing the Send or Transfer function. Carefully enter the Robinhood wallet address you copied earlier, and don't forget to specify the amount of USDT you want to send. Always double-check for accuracy to avoid costly mistakes. Before confirming, review the transaction details, including any network fees. Remember, USDT typically uses the Tron or Ethereum network, so pick the right one based on 2025 updates. Hit Confirm, and your Tangem wallet will process the transfer. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. After the transfer, head back to Robinhood and refresh your account. You should see your USDT deposited soon. If it doesn't show up, check your transaction history on a blockchain explorer for confirmation. Pro tip: always use two-factor authentication and keep your private keys secure to protect against scams. And there you have it. Transferring USDT from Tangem to Robinhood is straightforward once you know the steps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips in 2025. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy out there.